Hey guys, Brady from ROG Ally Pro here, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the Xbox game bar on your ROG Ally. This works for the ROG Ally X and the Z1 Extreme, which I got right here. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to come to the search bar in the bottom left corner and then just search up settings, or go to the settings one if it pops up automatically there like mine did. And you just want to go down to gaming in the bottom left. And then you'll see game bar here at the top. And now from here, allow your controller to open game bar. You can either enable or disable that. And real quick, I'm going to show you how to also make a keybind on your ROG Ally so we can open up the game bar in an app or just on the desktop here. So I'm going to close out of settings and go into the ROG Ally Armory Crate. And from here, I'm in the settings tab already. So in control mode, you just click on configure. You could do this for either one if you're going to be in desktop mode most of the time or in gamepad mode. I'm just going to do desktop for the sake of the video. And from here, you can see all of the available buttons that you can choose to map. I am just going to do the menu one. So if I click on menu, the first function is menu, and then you shouldn't have any other function for the secondary one. I already have it as the Xbox one because I was working on this before, but you just want to go ahead and click edit next to it, next to the one that'll be blank. And from here, you'll be brought to this menu where you can pick what you want to set that to be. So I'm going to go to action. And then here we have Xbox button as an option in the far right column. So you go ahead and click on that. Now that'll be set as your secondary function. So what that means is, whenever you use either of these back paddles, these will let you do the secondary function. So you know how the first one, if I press this once without the back, that'll bring up a menu. Now if I were to hold down the back and press it, it would open up the game bar. So I'm just gonna go back to my desktop just to show you. Just go ahead and close that. Now, when you're here, you just hold down the back one, either one of them, and now you press the menu button if you chose that button. But as you can see here, pops up with the game bar. You can go ahead and do whatever you need to do in here and move it around, so it makes a little more sense for you. But yeah, that is how you go ahead and enable and disable the Xbox game bar on the ROG Ally, as well as setting up a keybind for the Xbox game bar. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and check out the ROGAlly.pro website for any other tips.